Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So cute to say. Anyway, so today I did this look for you guys. It's inspired by a look Aaliyah J did a little while ago with her Kim Kardashian and Mario collab palette. So all the products are drugstore slash affordable, I guess you could say, because a lot of them I also got from the beauty supply store, and I don't know if people would classify that as drugstore or not. I had a few complications in this video, so yikes. I would like critique, but I realized that there were like a few things that I needed to like fix, whatever. So yeah, I'm actually really upset that you can't see this shirt. It's super cute. Look at it. I love it. It's just a plain white shirt, and then it has, of course, like, this is me basically, like, hello. The hair, obviously. Like, comment, subscribe, follow all my social medias if you are not already, even though I'm sure that's how most of you got to this video. What else is like YouTube lingo? Oh, if you want to if you want to see how to get this Aaliyah J inspired makeup look, then just keep watching. Okay, my brows are actually really stressing me out right now, but I'm gonna try to get over it. Maybe I'll conceal later just to like thin them out a little bit. But as for right now, I'm rolling with it. Okay, let's get started. So I have this Wet n Wild palette. It's called the Wet n Wild Not a Basic Peach palette. I got it from Walmart. Well, the Walmart by my house at least has like the best Wet n Wild section. And I'm gonna put that all in the crease. Like that. Packing it. This palette is actually super pigmented, but it does have a lot of like kickback. Okay, I'm gonna pick up a little bit more and focus it like right in my crease. Kind of like flattening the brush so that it doesn't go out too far. By the way, I'm finally happy with the back of my mirror. I mean, I feel like I have a few more stickers to add still, but like, it's falling together. I'm trying to decide. I just got my Mac, so I'm trying to decide if I want to like put stickers on my Mac or if I just want to leave it be and get like a like one of those hard cases that like go over it that match the color. IDK, how I'm working. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit of this orange right here and move that through my crease as well, and I'm just gonna pack that orange in the crease. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my NYX Ultimate palette. I'm trying to get a lot of use out of this palette. I mean, the colors are really nice. They're obviously gorgeous, but I can't seem to get as much out of it as I want to. I don't really like. I'm gonna go in with this purple her. All my brushes are all nice and clean too, and I'm gonna pack that on the outer edge. Okay, pack. And then blend it in the crease a little bit. I'm only going to blend it like halfway in the crease. And the reason I did that is because I want to go in with this like brown shade, but the shade's like really chocolatey, so I want it to be like a purplish brown, if that makes sense. So I dipped into the brown first, and then I dipped into the purple. I'm literally just placing the color here before I blend it out so that I don't blend it out into like nothing, because that can definitely happen with these colors. Okay, now that we're looking a little crazy right now, so I'm gonna go in with a concealer that's super pale. It's not drugstore, but I don't really have a pale drugstore concealer. This is the matte concealer in NW15. This is what I love. I literally use this concealer in all of my makeup looks. I'm like in love with this concealer. Okay, pick a little bit up on our brush, And then I'm going to cut the crease.
Okay, so my eye crease is literally right here. This is where my little fold's at. So I'm going to go above that fold. Just like that. Just going to mark out like where that fold kind of starts.
I'm just going to take it all the way up there since apparently that's where my eye likes to crease naturally. Okay, when I get right here to the outer edge, I'm just gonna like tap out the concealer. So that it blends well with the purple eyeshadow. And I usually just go like almost where my brow starts to angle. I go like a little bit before that. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this gold color right here from the Wet n Wild palette. Hopefully it does what I want it to do. Hopefully it does what I want it to do. Did I already say that? I'm gonna give a little spritz of Rosewater spray that my friend Kyla, shout out to Yams, made for me. Shameless plug. Yeah, that'll work. This is supposed to be like a talk through video and I haven't said anything this whole time, so what can I tell you? It's just been a hard time, you know? I mean, it actually hasn't been that hard. I'm like making it hard on myself, but if you're not making life hard on yourself, like, are you really living life to the fullest, you know? So I got my lashes on. It was actually like a super huge struggle, but I used the Duo lash glue. That's drugstore-ish. It was like $6, I think. Yeah, $6. Let's move on to the face because that's one thing I actually know how to do. Oh, I'm gonna prime first. Soap and Glory One Heck of a Blot primer. This primer's pretty awesome. I actually haven't used it in a really long time. I had already moisturized my face and primed my face before I started my makeup, but neither of those were drugstore. So yeah. Right now I'm loving the Bare Minerals gel moisturizer. It feels so good, and it just like it just seeps into your skin. Like, I don't know, I like when I can feel moisturizers working, and that one I can just feel like seeping into my skin. What was I gonna do? Oh, set my face. Ooh, that's a hard one. I don't have any. You know what? I'm just gonna go with my Airpsun to set because I forgot what I was using at the moment, but it's not the Airpsun. I got mine at Walmart. They were out of stock for like the longest time, and then I finally got one, and yeah. I like that this one doesn't have any color in it either. I'm just gonna take what's in the top and like go in on my face. I'm gonna do my Kiss Professional Extreme Camouflage Cream Concealer, and I just do a dot here and then a dot here. I think this was like $6 maybe. I got it at the beauty supply store. That's the only place. That's the only place that I can find Kiss makeup. I literally. They probably sell it online too, but I can only find it at the beauty supply store. So I'm gonna conceal my nose, of course, and on the sides because I like a really snatched nose. Beauty blender I have a really love-hate relationship with. Right now I freaking hate them. So this is like my favorite brush. It's Ovani. Ovani has some bomb brushes. I bought this brush set for like $30 on Amazon, and it has literally every brush in it. But this is just like an angled foundation brush. Honestly, this is my favorite brush right now for blending out my concealer. No, I actually don't think this is light enough. I like my concealer like literally white. It is a little on the gray side. I wish it was a little bit warmer, but whatevs. Okay, to set this, because I like to powder like 50 times. I already did my first powder, which is my base powder, and then to set my concealer powder, I usually like to use a pressed banana powder. Yeah. Oh shoot, look how just smooth that looks. Okay, this Ruby Kisses 3D Contour Artist Cream Palette. Bomb. This is the darkest shade, I'm pretty sure. They have like two lighter than this. They have like a medium one. Oh, this is medium dark, so I'm guessing they have like a light medium one. As you can tell, I freaking love this shade right here to contour with. I used to love shades that are like really, really dark, but I've been really into like a red undertone shade to contour. I'm not really sure why. Especially in the summer, I just feel like it makes me look a lot more bronzy instead of just like contoured, you know? Okay, stippling brushes, my absolute fave. Rosewater again. I don't use beauty blenders a lot, obviously my hate part of the relationship right now, so I literally have to spray everything before I go in and blend it out, just so that at the end it like doesn't look too cakey. Like, do you see that? This is the e.l.f. Contouring and Bronzing palette. Whoa. I actually haven't touched this, and I cleaned out my makeup the other day though, and I was like looking through all my products, and like this used to be my baby. Like, whoa. What shade is this? Antigua. They're literally listening to Poison out there. Someone please rush in and help me. It's like the first time I've ever done my makeup where my battery camera has lasted. I talk shit about my freaking camera battery and it just went down one. Rude. Bake, Brighten, and Set Loose Finishing Powder from Hard Candy. I love this powder. Taking my Sonia Kashuk sponge and getting this bake on. Got a hair in my lash. I'm just cleaning up my bake. Cleaning up my bake, what sense? Cleaning up literally everything that I put on before. I'm just gonna hit the eyes really, really quick. Okay, this is the blue I'm gonna go for, because this one's like serious. I'm actually mix it with the blue next to it as well, just so I can really get like a blue. Okay, I'm gonna go change my shirt and take my hair down, see if it's doing something decent, and I'll be right back. And I'm back. It's back. It's big. We're gonna do Black Radiance because this actually has a lighter powder that I'm digging. This sculpting shade right here, Blanc. This is the Real Techniques Duo Fiber contour brush. I'm not sure how you're supposed to use this for contouring, but whatever. Yeah, I'm gonna go in with the Sculpt shade and just, ooh, hopefully this works. I mean, it does for the most part. It's doing what I want it, what I need it to do, so I'm not complaining too much. And I'm just wiping off all of this excess bake as it's had time to like sit and think about its life. And I'm using a color that's similar to my skin tone but not the same exact color, just lighter clearly, to get all that off. And then I'm gonna go in with my face powder. Right now, for the sake of a drugstore video, I'm gonna use my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Powder. So, to finish out, I'm going to this really shimmery highlighter shade. It's a cream highlighter, of course. I'm just gonna go in and throw some cream highlighter on the face right quick. I do cream highlighter first, and then I do a highlighter to set the cream highlighter, and then I do a highlighter on top of that because I'm incredibly extra. To set that one, I'm going to go back into the Black Radiance palette and then use this highlighter here. It's just the highlighter shade, of course. I'm going to use my Morphe M506, or that's a different brush, my Morphe M510. Of course, like one of the best highlighting brushes ever. And highlight up the face once again. The temples, really nice and easy, and quick. Bring some color back in, going on the lip, of course, on the nose, of course. For the blusher, I'm gonna do Ruby Kisses because it's a quad. It just has so many good colors in it. I'm gonna do a mix of this orange, like shimmery shade here, and then this kind of dark purpley shade. Give a quick smile. Just to bring some color back so I don't look like too much of a zombie. And then to highlight, I'm going to use my MAC, definitely not, my Maybelline Master Chrome Molten Lava highlighter. Okay, for the lips, I'm gonna close my drawers and whatnot. I'm gonna do this Rimmel lip pencil. Bang! And that is the completed look.